everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie. I'm a graphic designer and I'm excited to announce that I have just downloaded the latest version of Adobe Illustrator 2024. So there's plenty of new features, especially 3D, that I am going to be exploring for the first time. So for my first 3D project, I'm going to start with something simple, an icon of a hand. So I'm going to use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. I'm going to change the fill to black, stroke to none, make a dragged copy, and Control D twice to make 2 more copies. So we have 4 rectangles, which are going to be the 4 fingers of a hand. I'm going to leave the middle finger higher, lower the other 3, make this one the smallest because it's the pinky, and just shorten this one just so they're all different sizes. Now I'm going to use the ellipse tool to create the palm of the hand. So I'm going to create a circle and it's going to have the diameter of the 4 rectangles put together. I'm going to lower it a little bit and size it so that it aligns with the beginning of the pinky. And on this other side, I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger because we still need to add the thumb. So I'm going to make a dragged copy of the pinky since it's the smallest finger. And I'm going to rotate it and put it in position so it's going to be the thumb and last finger. Now I'm using the pen tool. Control Z, a little mistake here. Okay, I'm going to use the pen tool to make a full shape because I'm going to align the circle with the fingers and make a straight line across like this. So now I'm going to drag this finger here all the way down so it overlaps the thumb. So we can select everything and use the shape builder tool to delete this little part here that we don't need. So now I can select everything, go to Pathfinder, and Unite. I'm going to use the direct selection tool to curve some points here. I'm going to select all of the finger points, make them round, and delete this point here using the pen tool minus anchor point. I'm also going to use the direct selection tool to make this a little bit more curved so it is uniform. So here we have a hand icon. So this I could have done with the old version of Illustrator, but what's new? Let's find out. I'm adjusting a few little things before we go on, like the length of the fingers, which I'm going to make a little bit shorter. And here is our final hand icon. So I'm going to select it, change the color to a yellowish beige. Okay. And now I'm going to go to the 3D and material features of this new version of Illustrator for the very first time. And I see that they have inflate, which I've never used before, but it looks so cool. So simple. Inflate, you take the simple hand icon and it already looks cool 3D. Ooh, twist. No, we don't want to twist. And volume, very nice. You can see the flatness or make it more plumpy. Then we have the highlights, which is similar to the older version, but a lot more sophisticated. Let's see. Shadow. I like the fact that the shadow is like already incorporated, so you just have to click it and it's there. I don't like the fact that it kind of cuts it off at an angle. So I'm going to deactivate it. for this project. We'll see in the future, but I love the materials. This is so cool to me. This is so awesome. Let's see, it looks weird that they have so many different textures to choose from. Let's see this one. Wow, it's kind of like a rock effect. Love it, love it. We can do so much stuff with these new tools. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to standard because, as I said, this is just a simple icon. I just wanted to try it out. But look at this. This is so cool. It gives kind of like a rubbery effect. I'm going to change the color, make it a little bit lighter. Kind of like a Simpsons yellow hand. Or like the yellow hand on our iPhones, the icon. And I like the fact that it has like this rubber highlight. These highlights. Very cool, very cool. Love it. I am so happy that I updated my Illustrator to this newest version. And hopefully I will be uploading a lot new tutorials. If anyone has any suggestions, just please drop a comment because I can't wait to try these new features out. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and follow me on Facebook, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Ciao!